Good morning, class 9th. Welcome back to your computer class. Today we'll do chapter 18 and 19. Open page number 295 of your book. Today I'll tell you how to insert a table in MS PowerPoint and how to work on it. Okay? For inserting a table in MS PowerPoint, click on the Insert tab. After clicking on it, you have to click on Table option. When you click on Table option, this window will open. From this window, you can select number of rows and columns you want for your table. You can select any number of rows and columns from this. Okay, select the number of rows and columns. Your table will be inserted in your slide like this. After this, you can make changes in your table. You can change the background color of your table, change the color of rows and columns. All options are given in PowerPoint. You can do by using these options. Okay. After that, you enter the data in your table. For going to the next cell, you have to press Tab key. Okay, children, and simply you can write the field names that you want to write in rows and columns like this. Your next topic is editing a table. You can read these topics by yourself because these topics are very easy. Okay? Now I am going to tell you how to apply table border and background. For doing this, you have to click on the Design tab. After that, so many options will be opened. From these options, you can change the color of your table, color of the rows, columns, which color you want. You can change the color of rows and columns from these options. So many options are given. From these options, you can apply background colors, you can apply borders, you can change border color, etc. You can apply border styles also. All the steps is given in your book also. From book, you can do this in PowerPoint. Okay. Now we'll do chapter 19. Open page number 299. Now I'll tell you how to insert a picture in PowerPoint. For doing this, first of all, you have to click on the Insert tab. After clicking on it, select Picture option. It will open this window. In this window, all the pictures that are saved in your PC will be opened. You can select any one picture from this or double click on that. Your picture will be inserted in your slide. Next is second method is you have to click on this button. Look at this button. You have to click on this. When you clicking on this, again that window will open. You can select any picture and click on the open option. Picture will be inserted in your presentation. Next is how to move an image, rotate an image, resize an image, that you can do it yourself. Now I'll tell you how to group and ungroup the elements. In this, first I'll tell you how to group elements, change the style of group elements and ungroup the elements. For grouping the element, first of all, use the select tool for select the multiple drawing objects in PowerPoint. To select the multiple shapes, first of all, fix the place of the shape where you want to place them. After that, you will select all the images together by dragging the mouse. Select all the shapes to be grouped like this. Okay. After selecting this, click on the arrange icon. In arrange icon, you have to click on the group option. All your shapes are grouped into one. If you move the group, all the shapes will be moved together. By this method, you will group the images. After that, you can change the style of the grouped images. For this, again, first of all, select the grouped images. Click on that, they will be selected. After that, you will do this. In this, you can select any of the option. Your all the images will be changed. And for doing ungroup the elements, how will you do that? First of all, select all the grouped items. After selecting this, again click on the arrange option, and now you have to click on the ungroup option. All the images will be ungrouped. Okay, children. Now I am sending you the question answers of these two chapters. Our chapter 20 will be cut from the syllabus. Children, today our computer syllabus has been covered. You have to write down these question answers in your notebook. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.